1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme here at Unique, especially in classics. Always a popular body style, and you don't see them as much anymore. Obviously, a lot of these were made into stock cars, raced some oval dirt tracks back in the day. Underneath the hood, 307 Oldsmobile V8 power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot, so nicely equipped. You can see front bumper or fascia grille, good shape. Still retains the Oldsmobile hood ornament. Paint coat of 15, so medium gray. Gray interior, partial vinyl top. Check out the still pictures so you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Original mile car, 83,705 on it at the moment. Riding on the Oldsmobile Rally style wheels, BF Goodrich radial TAs. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Stick around to the end of this video and Jason will take this car for a drive. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. We'll take a little closer look at that interior. It's like the 45-55 split bench. Aftermarket stereo has been installed. And that is in working order. We're going to get around, like I said, to the driver's side. Check that out a little closer in just a bit. There's that partial vinyl top. Black fabric. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear bumper. Luggage rack in the trunk. And once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. Technician did make a few notes in this. Does have a new muffler, new brakes front and rear, new rear wheel cylinders. Cruise was in op, and he said typical, just seepage on the drivetrain. But this is one of those cars. Get in, turn the key, and go. Obviously driven. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Paint has a nice shine to it. If you like these Oldsmobile Cutlasses, no matter which model, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Of course, the insignia or the Cutlass Supreme Classic. Door panel, nice shape. Take a look at the fabric on the seats. Also not showing a lot of wear, kind of reflects the lower miles on this car. The vinyl down on the sides not cracked or aged. Even the seatbelt guides not broke, pretty common to see those broke. Tilt column, aftermarket steering wheel. Exact miles, there you go, 83,705. Does have a power antenna. Power antenna is working. There's actually a switch down for it on this side right there. Again, Kenwood stereo system working. No check engine light, service engine suit, anything like that on. There's the fuel gauge is working there. How about the top of the dash? Also good shape. Appears this car was stored indoors. Passenger side seating surface looking good. How about the headliner? Model that's kind of known for droopy headliner sometimes. This one looks good. Nice and firm. Door closed nicely. And let's listen. Like I said, new muffler. So nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. Let me go ahead and get this hood popped. Take a look at that engine bay. See the 307 Olds V8 running. And then once again, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take you for a virtual ride, show you how it goes down the road. All right, underside of the hood. And how about the engine bay? There is a battery disconnect, just so you know, for when it's in storage or in between drives. There it is. And remember, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC is blowing cold. And AC has been converted from the R12 to 134A there. Otherwise, pretty stock looking engine bay. Smooth running 307. Get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Classic. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where all the still pics are. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Your classic square look from the 80s. Definitely carried through in this car. This is an automatic on the column. Our fuel gauge is working, our blinker is working, speedometer showing as it should. The wipers work on this Cutlass. Very comfortable seats from Oldsmobile. Cloth split bench seat. Kenwood stereo in the dash. Nice road feel. Semi-luxurious, that a little bit sporty with the Cutlass package. We've got a tilt column. Rear defrost. This aftermarket steering wheel is actually quite nice. Now it's canted a little bit to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Nice little bit, just a tiny bit of finger grooves on the back. It's like you notice them if you want to, you don't if you don't. It's just right, and it looks good in this car. Brakes feel good, nice and smooth. Corners the way it should. Also semi-luxurious and semi-sporty. The kickdown working on the automatic transmission, bringing us up to speed. Take a look at all the pictures of this Cutlass at UniqueClassicCars.com.